it's me Naomi, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how I make and apply my clay mask. Now this is one of the only clay masks I use. You can check out my skincare regimen or my skincare routine. I used to use Glam Glow and the Dirty Girl by Pure, and now I just use this Aztec Indian clay with apple cider, and once in a while I will use the Dirty Girl. But this mask is absolutely amazing, you guys. It's A1 and it gets the job done.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody.
As you could see by the clip, I already made the clay and it's just a little bit in here. I think this might be even too much for my face because my head ain't that big. A little goes a long way. Some people don't like to use the apple cider vinegar. Some people just use water in the clay to put it on their face because their face is a little more sensitive. But I prefer the apple cider vinegar because I feel like it gets all the dirt off and it actually cleanses my face. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it. I just use my finger, nothing special.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your.
And there you have it. I look like a ghost. Nothing fancy. I still have plenty left. Like I said, I did take too much. I just have to throw this away, which sucks, but oh well. As you can see, I just put a thick amount on my face, and I will come back to show you how it looks when it's dry. And always remember to avoid the eyes. I try to get as close to my eyes as possible, but not too close. This is how I look after 15 minutes. There's some light spots and dark spots. Dark spots aren't fully dry yet. But you can see my face looks scaly, so that means we're working.
Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave this on for about 5 more minutes, then I'll come back. I just got done washing my face and my face is extremely dry, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face and put some oil on. The clay is very drying, so if you have dry skin, you might not want to leave it on for too long.
Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you.
And I usually do this clay routine like twice a week or 3 times, depending on how my face looks. Right now it's okay, I'm not too worried about it. I just have little tiny breakouts on my forehead, but I'm not too worried. I'm about to be on my monthly, so that's probably why. I usually leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. One time I put it on my face was really irritated and burning, so I left it on for like 10 minutes and washed it off. But I've never had a problem with this after that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have any questions, you can drop it down below in the comment box. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.